Hello everyone, I'm Raymart R. Rodriguez. Today I will show how I created my digital poster with the theme Honesty, Be Honest, Be Trusted, Be True. This poster reminds people that honesty builds trust and shows good character. I made my poster using Canva. First, I choose a blue gradient background to give a calm and trustworthy feeling. Them I added my title, Honesty, at the top using a bold black font so it stand out. Below it place my slogan, Be honest, be trusted, be true. After that, I will handshake icon to show trust and honesty. I also use a sun icon for truth, a shield icon for protection and trust, and a head for integrity. I made sure everything is balanced and easy to read. The font is clean and simple so people can read it clearly. I use the color blue because it represents honesty and trust. The icons help support the message of being truthful and having integrity. I keep my design simple and clear so anyone can understand the message right away. My digital poster shows that honesty is the foundation of trust. In making this, I use copyright free Canva elements and follow media literacy principles like honesty, clarity, and creativity. Thank you for watching.